Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ZYNE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days of time, it's actually just today's price action, Monday, broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price without, and just keeps things pretty much as straightforward as possible. Now, I was going to use the word updates, but that's not necessarily the right word. Probably confirmation would be more of an accurate term. And the main point of confirmation comes about via this red line here that I've talked about in past videos that I've done. And that is as far as the key level of resistance is concerned, right up around 1280. So if you go back through the history of the chart, you can see that whenever the price has gotten right up around that area, it hasn't been able to not necessarily break above it, but maintain above it. Because right here you can see, sure, the price actually got slightly above it, but couldn't stay above it. Right there, got above it, couldn't stay above it, and then you fast forward to today, and once again, got above it, but couldn't quite stay above it. So it's not the getting above it part that the price struggles with, it's the whole staying up above. So really the big question is, 1280, 1280, can the price get above it and stay above it? Now, on the flip side of things, though, let me just make sure that I think this is as high as it's been. Yeah, so that is, and these are highs that have not been seen for a very long time. So 1280, definitely that key level from that point of view. And then as far as levels of support are concerned, overall you have this level down here at 1180. Preferably speaking, if you say, Clay, what makes this chart look just the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price could stay up here above the 1250 mark, which you can see was the bottom portion of this consolidation this afternoon. But by no means am I saying that if the price falls below 1250 that the entire chart's destroyed or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could somehow actually manage to stay above there, that would definitely be a massive sign of power. So keep an eye on these levels here. In fact, the more that I think about it, I shouldn't even have 1250 mapped out, just because that level, it's a support. So if you want to make a mental check of that, you can do that. But overall, 1180 is more so that key level. And maybe the price will just enter into a sideways channel formation here. But if anything, assuming there's no gap downs, the price is still well within striking distance of potentially getting the breakout on Tuesday. And even if it doesn't, the week is young, still 4 days left. But overall, nice looking chart. Let's see if the bulls can indeed get the breakout or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.